Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new Trust Wallet account. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Trust Wallet. It's crucial to verify you're downloading the legitimate app to protect your assets. Once you find it, simply tap to install and let it download. This initial step takes just a few moments. Now that the app is installed, open it up. You'll see an option to create a new wallet. Tap on that. Before proceeding, carefully read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. It's important to understand these agreements. Next, you'll be asked to create a 6-digit passcode. This passcode adds an essential layer of security to your wallet, so choose something memorable but secure. You'll need to confirm it twice. This is the most critical step, securing your recovery phrase. Trust Wallet will present you with a 12-word phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose your device, this phrase is the only way to restore your wallet. Write it down precisely, word for word, in the correct order on a piece of paper. Do not take screenshots or store it digitally. Keep this paper in a very secure, private place. Never share it. After carefully writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it. You'll need to select the words in the exact order they were presented. This step ensures you've accurately recorded it. Once confirmed, congratulations. Your new Trust Wallet account is successfully created and ready to use. You can now explore its features, including sending and receiving various digital assets, accessing decentralized applications, and even staking some cryptocurrencies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.